panel ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi roses are red, violets are blue. Mahal na kita, rock na ito.
Ay! Katahimikan! Katahimikan!
I'm covering my ears like a kid. When your words mean nothing, I go la la la.
Hi, I'm Jason. I am here to discuss the different parts of the system unit's back panel, starting at the power supply right here. This is where the electricity from the wall goes to the power supply unit to power the computer. Next, we have here the PS2 ports, here, often referred to as the mouse port or keyboard port. The purple one is for the keyboard, while the green one is for the mouse. The PS2 port was developed by IBM and is used to connect a computer mouse or keyboard to an IBM compatible computer. The PS2 port is a mini DIN plug that contains 6 pins and is still found on all IBM compatible computers today. However, is starting to be replaced by USB. Here, we have the serial port. A port on the computer used to connect a serial device to the computer and capable of transmitting 1 bit at a time. It is the 9-pin mail. It is only mail port in the computer and it was used in dial-up modem and printers also. Next, we have the VGA, which means Video Graphics Array Connector. It's a 3-row 15-pin connector. The 15-pin VGA connector is found on many video cards, computer monitors, and high-definition television sets. Although it is not uncommon to still find the VGA cable and connector with today's computers, monitors, protectors, and TVs, this type of connector is becoming obsolete and being replaced by DVI and HDMI connector and cable. Here the USB ports. It's a standard cable connection interface or personal computers in consumer electronics devices. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus, an industry standard for short-distance digital data communications. USB ports allow USB devices to be connected to each other with and transfer digital data over USB cables. They can also supply electric power across the cable to devices that need. In this part are the audio part. An audio port is a computer is any receptacle or jack to which an audio device such as speakers, headphones, a microphone can be connected. All laptops and some desktops have built-in speakers, but for better sound or privacy, you will need to connect external audio through one of the ports. The green one is the main one. It is used by the main speakers. The pink one right here is used for the microphone. Afterwards, the blue is used for stereo line in. Lastly, we had the LAN port, alternatively referred to as an internet port, network connection, and network port. The LAN port allows a computer to connect to a network using a wired connection. Once again, I am Jason. Thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Peace out.